where are we off to today?
Padstow.
Padstow. To do what?
Gone Jubilee Queen.
Right, gone Jubilee Queen.
Yep.
So this one's going to be a bit of a crossover between recovery video
Yep.
to on the motorcycle video.
Yeah, but we're not taking the motorcycle on Jubilee Queen.
No, but we're taking the motorcycle over there.
Yeah.
And we're with someone else.
Think again. I can't even.
So that's the boat we're going on. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. So there's a Jubilee Queen we'll be going on. I think it's an hour and a half trip. So be interested to see what we see out there. Any wildlife.
Oh, there's loads. There was some there, some there.
I saw something going. They're all coming up now.
All up loads on that. coming and going, and there's always one stays to the end, so everyone you see on the cliff is a happy pair. It's got 300 pairs on the side of it usually. This year much the same, which is great stuff. They're like a